Hello everybody, my name is Jeb Corliss and I am a professional wingsuit pilot. I got my PADI open water diving certification when I was 16 and became a PADI diving instructor at 18. That was over 26 years ago, and I have been shooting stills and video underwater ever since. I would like to welcome you to part one of the three-part PADI GoPro Evolution contest. This contest series is all about learning how to shoot, how to edit, and how to bring it all together to create awesome stories with your GoPro. The Evolution contest is open to both scuba and free diving. And for part one, it's all about getting the raw clip. That means you're gonna take your GoPro, mount it wherever you want, hit record, and capture a single awesome moment. Now remember, when you're trying to get that perfect shot, no touching. A cool clip isn't worth affecting the animals you're videoing. Now, let's run through a couple mounting options. I'm giving you free rein to come up with unique mounts to get different perspectives. But for those who need a simple and clean solution, I'm recommending these two mounts. First, the head cam. This is great for getting a good angle from your perspective and gives the viewer a look into what you're seeing underwater. This is the most classic point of view option. Second, there's the handler. This mount gives you a bit more versatility while allowing you to self-capture and point the camera either forward or backward as you're swimming. As far as best settings, you're going to want to keep it in the 4:3 aspect ratio at 1440 or 2.7K with hyper smooth on. This is going to give you the cleanest and smoothest looking footage. Now that you know everything you need to crush this, go out and get your best raw clip. I can't wait to see what you all come up with.